We're doing our business plan for next year, for 2025 right now. We're not adding any more software engineers next.
What if I told you the days of coding, or say, programming as we know it, are numbered? This isn't just science fiction. It's a future that's arriving faster than we ever imagined. And it's not me who is saying this, but the most visionary tech leaders of our times stay till the end to know what these tech CEOs are up to. The CEO of Salesforce says AI has already boosted their productivity by 30% and hiring engineers. That's on pause. Let's hear it in his own words, a bit more carefully this time.
We're doing our business plan for next year, for 2025 right now. We're not adding any more software engineers next year because we have increased the productivity this year with Agentforce and with other AI technology that we're using for our engineering teams by more than 30%, to the point where our engineering velocity is incredible. And then we will have less support engineers next year because we have an agentic layer, but these current large language models, there's a lot of folks building those today, and they're rapidly becoming a commodity. Everything needs to be about Agentforce at Salesforce. This is the only thing that really matters today.
But he's not the only one ringing the alarm. Mark Zuckerberg, the mastermind behind Facebook, now Meta, has dropped a bombshell. He predicts that by 2025, artificial intelligence will replace mid-level software engineers. Yes, you heard that right. Engineers. Not entry-level assistants, but professionals who build the backbone of our digital world.
Probably in 2025, we at Meta are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write. Once you have that, then in the beginning it'll be really expensive to run, and then you can get it to be more efficient. And then over time, we'll get to the point where a lot of the code in our apps and including the AI that we generate is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.
Let's pause for a second and imagine. You're a mid-level coder sitting at your desk debugging your latest feature. A tool like chatgpt whispers in your ear, "Hey, I can write that for you and faster." It feels empowering, right? But what if that whisper turns into a roar, one that replaces you entirely? Because here's the shocking reality. Companies like Meta aren't just tinkering with AI for fun. They're developing systems to do the jobs of human engineers. Initially expensive, sure, but soon far cheaper than a yearly salary.
That we have a digital workforce and a human workforce now. We have digital labor in our company and human labor now. And I need to bring that to every single company. And to explain that is extremely difficult because this is a new horizon for business. This is the most exciting thing that's ever happened for business, because we are going to start to bring in digital labor into business for the first time. Now we've delivered the first scaled, secure, trusted enterprise agentic platform, which we call Agentforce.
So where does that leave you? Are we on the brink of a technological utopia or a career dystopia? This shift is already shaking the foundations of the tech world. Social media is ablaze with panic. Engineers everywhere are asking the same question. Will there even be a place for us in this AI-driven future?
Good morning, Theodore.
Good morning.
You have a meeting in 5 minutes. You want to try getting out of bed?
Google and OpenAI, both debuting AI assistants that can emote.
Whoops, I got too excited.
Reason.
That image of a skull reminds me of Hamlet.
Make jokes.
A lullaby about majestic potatoes? Now that's what I call a mashup.
Translate.
The objects you're showing are una manzana and un plátano in Spanish.
Even remember where you left your glasses.
Do you remember where you saw my glasses? Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
But let's take a step back. History tells us something intriguing. Every time machines replaced humans, new opportunities emerged. The Industrial Revolution didn't eliminate jobs, it transformed them. Could AI do the same? Let's go deeper. Right now, engineers are already leveraging AI tools like chatgpt to write and debug code. It's faster, more efficient, and honestly, a little scary. Why? Because tools like these don't just enhance productivity, they minimize the need for large teams. But therefore, the bigger question looms. Will AI stop at assisting humans, or will it become a competitor? The future of software engineering is shifting rapidly, with AI agents poised to become indispensable collaborators in the development process. Advancements in cloud computing and AI tools like chatgpt have revolutionized workflows, enabling individual engineers to complete tasks that once demanded entire teams. Deployment cycles have become faster, processes streamlined, and reliance on traditional platforms like Stack Overflow has diminished. AI isn't just accelerating development, it's reshaping how engineers work, making them more strategic, creative, and impactful than ever before. This is how Google sees to integrate AI agents in our daily lives to navigate the physical world. Let's hear from the man himself.
I think you started seeing examples today across our keynote of what we think of as agentic capabilities. Project Astra itself is one, right? To be able to process the real world in front of you and constantly process it, and it will be quality driven, just like with Google Lens. We are going to test it out, give it to more people, but then roll it out widely. That's what we did with search, and so we know how to do it. In some ways, we've been evolving it continuously. The good thing about search is people comfortably use it. They take it for granted. We've been answering questions for a while, but with generative AI, we can do it a lot better. We've been testing it for a while, and we now feel it's the right moment to roll it out broadly.
Here's where it gets even more fascinating and a little terrifying. Recently, Axios reported the rise of PhD-level superagents. The article emphasizes the term superagents rather than simply agents. AI systems with the intelligence and creativity to tackle multi-layered tasks. Imagine a single AI that can not only write your code, but also strategize, debug, and deploy it. And these aren't just theories. Meta, Salesforce, and other tech giants are already laying the groundwork for this reality. And the stakes? They're not just professional, they're societal. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has scheduled a closed-door briefing with US officials. That's right, private discussions about what AI breakthroughs could mean for our economy, security, and way of life. What's being discussed behind those doors? And what are we not being told? You see, this isn't just a story about software engineers. It's about all of us, how we live, work, and adapt in a world where intelligence isn't uniquely human anymore. But what if AI doesn't eliminate software engineers, but creates a new kind of engineer? The Jevons paradox suggests that as technology becomes more efficient, demand for that technology actually increases. Therefore, AI engineers, people who orchestrate these systems, may become the new rock stars of the tech world. Instead of writing lines of code, they'll design, direct, and manage entire fleets of AI agents. While tech leaders may have visionary insights, their predictions are not always accurate, as seen in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, which no one could foresee. The unpredictability of the future is that even the most informed individuals cannot accurately forecast upcoming changes in technology or job markets. Past predictions, such as Zuckerberg's vision for a metaverse, serve as examples of how ambitious projections may not materialize as expected. So what's the takeaway here? Engineers, don't panic. Instead, embrace the tools. Master them. Because the future won't belong to those who fear change, but to those who adapt to it. And now, I want to hear from you. Are you excited about these changes? Or does the idea of AI replacing engineers send shivers down your spine? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you found this video thought-provoking, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of technology. The world is changing faster than ever, and together we'll stay one step ahead.